Hi, welcome. So in this video we'll discuss about like how you can find the competitor Google My Business ID business categories. So basically step 1, you have to go to the Google and search for the extension that name is the GMB Everywhere. Once you will go to the GMB Everywhere, the Chrome extension will appear. You have to click on the link. Once you will click the link, the page will be appears. So this type of the page will be appears the Chrome extension page. So currently I have added already. You have to just I'm doing this from the scratch. Now add to Chrome button will be there. You have to click on this button, add extension. Once the extension has been added, so you can see that where the dentist nearby the query is there, and the multiple business profile appears here. You can see that GMB categories are there, like whatever the categories the business use, you can find that. Now you can search any topics like digital marketing agency. If you will search for the digital marketing agency, so you can go to the maps. You will see multiple business profile here. Multiple business profile is there. So you can see the category of all business: internet marketing and marketing agency, internet marketing agency. So the multiple category will be there. Perfect. So in this way you can find the GMB category from the Google My Business extension, and this category you can upload in your GMB business profile. Like you can just do the competition research, and here in the additional category and in the primary category you can add the categories. So this is the way to find any competitors Google My Business categories. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.